So the One Box is an Australian charity and social enterprise, and what we do is we distribute fresh produce every school week to schools across Australia. It has an impact on the kids arriving into school having had breakfast, and they arrive to school and able to concentrate a lot better. Having food in their lunchboxes means that they're able to be more inclusive within the classroom and share the fact that they've got a full lunchbox. The families are able to take home the fruit, veg and bread. It's able to be used in cooking, and it means that the kids are having a more full, rounded, healthy meal, which in turn increases nutrition and then affects aptitude to concentrate at school.
We're supporting 2,500 families every week and being able to deliver between 6 to 8 kilos of fresh produce to those families in a dignified way through our school partnerships is just fantastic. The boxes are not branded. Most people don't know where the produce comes from that they get, and that's done for a reason, and that's to ensure that those that are receiving food relief don't feel like they're second-class citizens or don't deserve fresh produce, because everyone in Australia deserves to eat and eat well.
We put ourselves out there. We were donating boxes to community centres, and over the course of that first 2 or 3 years we refined the model to start partnering with public primary schools. Essentially that was the core program, who would identify families in need. Once we got that model right and we saw that it was having an impact, it became a template that is now today partnering with 120 schools across Australia. If you feed kids, there's a better chance you're going to learn more.
We're really fortunate to have the great partnership with Bank First. So we find that our values are really aligned. It's all about supporting the community at a grassroots level.